to be aggressive toward other kitties, and we just rescued 3 female kitties. So we're going to introduce them to him in a safe environment with him in the cage, one by one today, and see how he reacts. Hopefully he will get along with them. Here comes the first one. Her name is Zelda. Oh, she sees Leo now. Go see him. Leo is checking her out very closely. He doesn't look really happy about it. Oh, here comes the second one now. Her name's Mealy. She's also female.
Look, he's not really see Leo, or he's pretending not to see him.
Yeah.
Millie! Look, he's not really see Leo.
Do you not see him, or do you just not care? It's okay, Leo. They're good kitties. Don't be jealous. We love you forever no matter what. We'll never love you any less. Don't worry. Here comes the third one. Shadow's now entered the room. Also female. Amelia's walking back to Leo.
He looks like he's not really see Leo. He see Leo, or he don't want to see Leo. I don't know.
Oh, he sees him. Or she sees him. And Leo's sniffing at her. Oh, he's meowing a little bit.
Yeah, it's okay.
Uh-oh, I've got a kiss.
It's okay, baby. It's okay, Leo. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Don't be mad, okay? It's okay. You're fine. Lily, say hi to Leo. Yes. Leo, say hi to Billy. Shadow, do you want to say hi to Leo? Shadow.
It's okay, go say hi. He can't hurt you.
Look, the shelter, you look like it.
She smells the catnip that was there before. She's still having fun with that.
You wanna say hi to Leo?
Uh-oh. Don't hiss, Leo. Be nice.
It's okay, Leo. Leo, it's okay, Leo. Leo, it's okay. You good boy. It's okay. Hey, Shada. Shada, Leo, say hi to Leo. It's okay, Leo. It's
So
okay.
grumpy.
It's okay, baby. It's okay. You're fine.
Zelda's not scared, but Leo's a little upset.
Shada is
She's very brave. She doesn't care.
yeah, she said nothing happened. No, she's not afraid. She's not mad. She's not jealous. It's okay, Mr. Leo. It's
Leo is a
okay.
very jealous kitty,
It's okay, baby. Just
especially
okay.
around other male cats. In the past,
okay,
he's done
baby.
pretty well with female cats.
It's okay, baby. It's okay. You're fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's a no. It's okay. Let's shut up. Let's shut up. Very friendly. Very, very friendly. And very, very social. Look at her.
I think she's having some catnip fun. It was there before. She smells it and she's
Yeah.
feeling happy.
Wow. Good girl. Look at you. Having fun.
You two play under the door sometimes, don't you? Yeah, it's the same friend you play with sometimes.
Millie. Millie, come say hi. It's okay, Mr. Leo. It's okay, baby.
Leo, it's okay, buddy. It's all right. We love you. There's no need to be jealous.
It's okay.
Don't be mad. Don't be mean. Be nice. Look, she could be your friend.
She's beautiful, Leo. She's beautiful. Right? You don't care? You don't care?
If you play your cards right, you could have a girlfriend. How about that?
She can be your girlfriend.
She's a pretty, pretty kitty.
Yeah, look at her. Leo? Right? Something? Oh, it's okay. It's okay, Leo. It's okay. Leo, do you not really care? Leo, it's okay.
They're very secure kitties, the three females.
It's okay, baby. Leo, oh, female. Don't be mad.
Be a gentleman. Be nice to the ladies. Be a gentleman. Come on.
Settle. Settle.
Shadow's a little more skittish. She's a little more scaredy. The other two are very confident.
It's okay.
Well, she's having a great time.
Yeah. Look at her. She not really. Wow. Surprising. She not scary. She not stressed. She doesn't care the little Mac, you know. So, hi.
Hi, how are you? Let's be friends. Hi, Leo. Be my friend. Come on, be my friend.
It's okay, Leo. Look at her. She not really mad at you. She not mad at you. Why you want her mad at her? Hmm?
Yeah.
It's okay, baby. See? She's fine. You will be okay too, okay? Right, Leo? It's okay. Mommy, Daddy always love you.
That's
I know.
right.
I know you're the boss. You always be a boss, okay?
Yeah, he wants to be the boss.
Right? Right? Sada? Who's the boss in the lake house? Leo, right? Leo, you are the boss. I know. It's okay. You close the eye, yes.
I don't want to see them. I'll close my eyes.
You're the boss, Leo. You are the boss. You're a good boy, okay? It's okay. Daddy, mommy always love you. You're always first, okay? Hmm? It's okay. It's okay. You're fine. You're fine. But now he come down a little bit.
A little bit. He needs some time.
Hey,
I mean,
baby.
when we had Willa, she was female, and he licked her on the head. They were friends.
It's okay. From the beginning, he is came also for the Viola. After they become the good friends.
That's right. I think they just need some time.
It's okay, Mr.
I think they can be
Leo.
friends.
It's okay, you're fine. You're a good boy. Okay? You're a good boy. I know you're a good boy. Don't be jealous, okay? You're a handsome boy. See? Satan not mad at you. It's okay. It's okay, it's okay.
Shadow's staying far away. She's not ready for this yet.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. You can come say hi to Leo. Leo, do you want to say hi to Shadow? Do you want to say hi to Shadow? Hmm? Mr. Leo? Let me. Sit down. Yeah, yeah, baby. You want to go outside? Not now, okay?
No.
Sometime. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Say hi to Leo. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Say hi to Leo. Yeah, Leo. Let's sit down. Sit down.
Say hi to Shadow, Leo. Be nice. Be a gentleman.
It's okay. It's okay. You're friendly, okay? You be nice, okay? Not nice. Not nice. Leo, not nice. He said that, I was like, okay, I'm gonna go away.
Yeah, he's not very friendly. I think I'll go back here where I was.
Leo? No. The shadow was afraid of you because you're so mad. You need to be friendly, okay? You need to be a good boy.
We love you, Leo. We love you. It's okay, buddy. We love him.
Yeah.
We love him so much.
Say no. Oh, Zelda. Zelda now and then Zelda. I always confusing sometimes. Zelda. Hi, baby. Oh, she's playing with eyes button.
You get the slow blink.
Baby. That's Leo. It's okay. Why are you complaining? It's okay. Why are you complaining? Later you can get a snack, okay? Mommy give you a snack. Are you happy, Lad?
Snacks make everything better.
It's okay.
Probably more after you've been outside or around other animals. You came home smelling wrong. And your cat is not going to let that slide. We need to